Let's learn the brick stitch. As the name suggests, this stitch looks like little bricks laid out in a wall. One row of stitches and in the next row. Each stitch sits between two from the row above. To start with, we'll make a line of back stitches. The length of the back stitch depends on the size of your shape. If it's a big shape, take longer back stitches. For smaller shapes, use shorter stitches. Since my shape is small, I'm using short back stitches here. This first line is just like regular backstitch. Now for the next row. We'll take our stitches between the previous two back stitches so that they fit right in the center, like bricks. We'll begin with a shorter stitch, so the next one aligns between the two above. If you watch closely, you'll get the hang of it easily. You can also refer to the diagram on the side for more clarity. Now, as we continue stitching, each new stitch will fall right between two stitches from the row above. Just like this. Just keep repeating this pattern until your shape is filled. After 2 or 3 rows, you'll start to see the brick effect coming through. This stitch looks really beautiful for filling large shapes or for thick lettering. As you can see now, the brick pattern is forming, and it's already looking so neat. Once the whole shape is filled, it'll look something like this. Thank you.